gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no, I won't stop like the others.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Matini, and today I'm going to be deep cleaning my bathroom. I kind of wasn't able to do as much cleaning as I wanted to do in this area, but I did want to get some cleaning done, so that's what I'm going to be working on today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment down below to let me know what you think.
It on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through, get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay, 'cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around, no, I won't be turning around, 'cause you feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it, don't forget it, don't forget it. We'll turn this around.
I would love to know how you are spending this time in quarantine. Are you excited to kind of have this break where you don't have to go to work and you can just stay at home? Or are you kind of getting frustrated by the fact that you can't do much of anything, or you can't do what exactly you want to do? You want to go back to your normal schedule. I mean, I am still really fascinated by this time because, like, just 2 to 3 months ago, we were living a normal life, going to work every day, getting excited about our plans for the summer, for the rest of this year. And then suddenly we just had to stop. Our plans had to change. We had to start worrying about toilet paper, and we have to start wearing masks, and we can't, interact as much as we used to. Gosh, it's so interesting how things can change so quickly, right? Like, I'm just so fascinated by this. Like, and what I love about it is just how much it has brought us all together. Like, I feel like this world was really divided before, and yes, we are kind of still divided, but there is a worldwide effort to work together in minimizing this spread, and I love that. I absolutely love that, because it's not about race anymore. It's not about what, religion. It's not about, what country you're from. It's about what can we do to stay alive. But it's definitely a fascinating time. So let me know in the comments, how are you spending your time during quarantine? Are you frustrated? Are you excited? Are you relaxed? Are you freaking out? I know for me, I have definitely not. I'm not giving in to fear. I believe strongly that when it's my time to go, it's going to be my time to go. And if God decides that I go during this time, then that's what happens. But of course, the biggest thing is practicing safe hygiene and making sure that I'm, following the guidelines that I am. But I'm definitely not. I'm choosing not to live in fear. I'm choosing not to live in panic mode. I am still doing things. As you can see, I'm still posting videos. But yeah, I definitely am choosing not to live in fear. But let me know in the comments. Would love to know how you feel and how you're doing during this time.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
If you are new to my channel, once again, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are liking it so far, be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I post content on motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning. I am a single mom to twin boys, Hodari and Milambu, and on this channel, I do share my experiences as a single mom to kind of help encourage you and motivate you to get through your day and to get things done. If you enjoy that kind of content, then be sure to join the fam.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So my walls have been really bare, and so I've been buying artwork to kind of make the place look a little bit more homey. And I bought this too from TJ Maxx, and they were only $8 each, so I just had to snag them up. I thought that would look good in my bathroom with the other piece of art that is there already, but I don't think I like how it looks together, so I might just take one down later on.
We can work it out, baby.
But guys, this is the end result. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you did, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you are new here and if you enjoyed this video, and I would love to say hi to you. Don't forget to follow me on social media at singlemommiewinning.com and also at Miss Matini, and I would love to connect with you there as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.
Hey baby, dime que somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Nunca en tu barrio ni el vecindario saben tú y yo que somos. Hey baby, dime que somos, porque siempre andamos solos. Solamente dime si es un vacile, al menos sé que somos. Yo me estoy para buscar esa respuesta. Muchos lo preguntan pero no